What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'm going to be talking about binary trading. Okay, so you've probably seen people online claiming they've turned small money into big profits within minutes, and you're wondering how they were able to achieve this. Mostly they were able to achieve this doing binary trading. All right, now binary trading is quite different from your spot trading or from your forex trading and futures trading. Okay, it's just a very simple trading strategy where you actually predict the price of an asset. Okay, for example, where you actually predict if it is actually going to go up or is going to go down within a short period of time. Okay, so if your prediction is actually correct, you're going to get a fixed income, but if your prediction is wrong, you're going to lose that trade amount. Okay, so this actually sounds simple, and I'll be breaking it down to you step by step and how you can basically perform binary trading and actually make money within few minutes doing it. Okay, now before we dive into this process, I would like to put out a disclaimer that this video is for educational purpose only, because binary trading is very risky, but that is why I'm making this video, so that you can basically know which strategy will be good for you to actually make money consistently with low risk. Okay, and also please watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details of my binary trading strategy that I'll be explaining right here in this video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. Now, to be able to perform binary trading, you're going to need a broker. Okay, you will not be able to use your crypto exchange like your Binance, your Bybit to perform binary trading. You're going to need a broker to do this, and the one I'm currently using now is Double Tradin. Okay, so this is the broker I'll be using to explain this process, and I'll be dropping the link in the comment section down below and also in the description section down below. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using this broker because it comes with amazing bonus for new users that will be looking into, and will be making live trades on it. Okay, so once you click on the sign up link in the comment section below or in the description section, it will bring you right here to this page where you can easily sign up by putting in your email address right here, and you create a password, and a code will be sent to your email address which you're going to use to confirm your email, and afterwards you come here to log in. Okay, so once you successfully create your account and log in, you have a page like this. Okay, so let's quickly go through all the features around here. So right here is where you get to switch between your main account and your demo account. Okay, so you also offered a demo account as a new user to actually help you gain experience here. Then if you click right here, you get to select if you want to view it by candles or if you want to view this trade section by the area. Okay, but the candles is actually more preferably because it will actually help you know which pattern or which trade to take next. Okay, then we also have the time frame here. So this is currently on 30 seconds by default, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Okay, then if you look down here, you can find the currency pairs, so you can even trade currencies here. You can trade crypto pairs here, and you can also trade commodities like your gold right here in the binary trading. You can basically trade anything right here in the binary trading, and all you're looking for is to actually predict if the price is going to go up or is going to go down, and if it does, you get to make a fixed amount of profit depending on the market percentage return. As you can see, the Euro JPY is giving us 91% return if we actually predict right on this. Okay, different markets actually gives you different percentage returns right here, as you can see. Okay, so if you look down here, we also have a timer. Now this timer helps you to select how long you want your trade to go. Okay, so remember, in the binary trading, you're actually predicting if the market is going to go up or down within a short period of time. So this time is where you get to select that period you want. Okay, so I'll be using the 30 seconds here. You can also select the 30 seconds. Then here is where you put in the amount you're going to use to enter the trade. So by default is around $1 right here, and you can also switch it up to by percentage, but preferably just leave it by amount like this. Okay, so these are the basic features right here on the Double Tradin broker. Okay, now if you look up, if you scroll up, we also have the deposit button for you to actually fund your account. And once you actually sign up, make sure you verify your account here. When you come here to this me icon down here, you're going to have to verify your account. So I'm not verified, but I'm still going to do that very soon. Okay, so those are the basic things you need to know about the Double Tradin, and it comes with amazing bonus for new users, especially when you're making your first deposit. Okay, so I'm going to be funding my account live now because I'll be making live trades for you to see. And to do that, I'll click on the deposit button up here. Then I'm going to select the TRC20 network. There are also other methods you can try out here. So I'll be using the TRC20 USDT, and you can deposit from as low as $10 and above. That's 10 USDT and above. Okay, but if you click right here where you have bonus code, if you click on the drop down, you get to see the bonus offers. Okay, now you get about 30% bonus if you deposit more than $80 right here, and there's also 40% bonus if you deposit more than $90 here, and 50% bonus if you deposit more than $120, and 60% bonus if you deposit from $200 and above. So I'm going to be going with the first option here, which is 30% bonus. So I'll be depositing about $80. Okay, so once you impute it, the next thing you need to do is to put in the amount you want to deposit. You could deposit from $80 and above to be eligible for this bonus. So I'm going with $80 right here, which basically means I'll be getting an extra $24 if I deposit, and I'll receive a total of $104 right here by using this bonus here. Okay, so let's proceed to pay. I'll click on this button here, and a wallet address will be given to me, so I need to make sure I transfer this exact amount to this wallet, and also make sure you're depositing using the right network, and you have about 30 minutes to make your deposit. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now and make my deposit, and we're going to proceed. Okay, and here we go, guys. The deposit have arrived and the bonus have been added also. Okay, and if I click right here, I can see the terms for unlocking all my 30% bonus. Okay, it's just telling me to have a total trading volume of $2,400 right here, but your initial fund of 80 USDT is still here, and you can also use it to trade together with your bonus. Okay, and you can also set your demo account to any amount to actually help you practice more while you actually learn how to trade binary right here on the platform. That is if you don't have any binary trading experience. Okay, so now after making the deposit, let's dive into the trading strategy and basically look at how we can make money on this. Okay, now for this strategy, we're going to set some things up right here on the home page. So first thing you need to do is to make sure this is on 30 seconds like it is. Then right here where you have the marketplace, we're going to be going with markets that will be giving us 91% profit on each successful trade we take. Okay, and this can actually go for any pair that have this. Okay, so let's select any one like right now, and you also need to make sure that your timer is 30 seconds also, so that you'll be able to enter the trade on the next candle immediately this countdown is over. So I don't know if you're understanding this. Now, talking about the strategy is called the 2 candle alternating reverse. Okay, now for this strategy, you look for a scenario where one color comes out 2 consecutive times. Now, for example, we have the green coming out 2 consecutive times right here. We also have the red coming out 2 consecutive right here. Okay, but you're just looking for a place where one of the colors comes out 2 consecutive times before your next trade. Okay, now where you have the green coming out 2 consecutive time, the pattern you're going to go for your next trade will be down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay, then where you have the red coming out 2 consecutive time before the time you want to trade, the pattern you're going to follow through, or the pattern you're going to trade, will be up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, you're going to use this pattern till you make profit. All right, so for green, it will be down, down, up, up, down, down, and for red, it will be up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, now we're going to do this live. Another thing you're going to need before you do this live is a table. All right, now I have a $100 account management table right here, which have 6 cycles that will actually help me make a net profit of 1 USDT whenever I make a profit using this strategy. Okay, I will also be dropping for $10 account and $50 account in my Telegram channel at the end of this video, but I'll be using the $100 account to explain this process. You can also use your $10 or $50 account management table depending on the capital you want to use to perform the binary trading. All right, so this basically means I'm risking $100 to perform this. All right, and with this strategy, I'm going to actually have a very good win rate because of that table that I'll be using. Okay, so guys, it looks like we're going to have that pattern right here. We have up, up right here. So when you have 2 consecutive green coming up, 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 your next trade should be down, down, up, up, down, down, right? So this countdown is almost over, so I need to make sure I place it immediately the countdown is almost done. So here we go. So I just placed it down, and while it is going on, I'm putting in the next amount on my table, which is the 3 USDT. In case this does not come in, I'm going to go down on the next one, but it looks like it is coming in already. As you can see down here, if this actually goes down, we are going to make 1.92 USDT profit on this trade because it is actually going in our direction. Okay, so the countdown here is almost over, as you can see, because it's 30 seconds, so you have to be fast. And that was actually a profit, guys. You can see it here. And once you actually make a profit like this, you're going to look for another pattern like that. So you can actually come here, look for another market that will give you that same type of pattern so that you can apply it. So we're not having the pattern right here. So I'm just going to quickly look around for another market that will give me that pattern. Oh guys, this one looks promising, and this time around we have 2 red, which basically means we are going with up, up, down, down, up, up on the next one. So the countdown is almost over, and here we go with up here. So we've already placed it here, so we're going to wait for this to finish, and you can see the market is following our pattern right here. So if this actually close up above the time we placed it, we are also going to make another $1.94 profit, because this one is giving 94% profit. And here we go, guys, we made another profit using this strategy. So you can basically see we've done this back to back and we've made profit. All right, so that is how the 2 candle alternative reverse strategy work, and you have to be fast with this type of strategy. Okay, so looking at this, it looks like we are having 2 green candles, so we're going with down, right? So we've gone down on the next one, and you can see, so if this does not go down eventually, we're going to go with the next amount on our table, which is 3 USDT. So I'm preparing to go down again if this countdown finishes above the level I placed, and it looks like it's not going to, but let's check, but let's wait. So the countdown is almost over, and it finished above, and we made another profit using this strategy, guys. And you can see, guys, that's 3 back-to-back profits using this particular strategy that I just explained. Okay, so whenever you actually do this, and if it does not give you a win, you go with the next amount quickly. Okay, you make sure you go with the next amount following that pattern depending on the color it showed here. Okay, so that is a very simple strategy you can use to perform binary trading. Very simple and easy, and make profit while managing your risk performing binary trading. Okay, now I feel the next thing that will come across your mind is how you can place your withdrawal from the Double Tradin broker. It's actually quite easy. You're going to click right here, you click down here, and you find the withdrawal button here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the withdraw button. So right here, you're going to find the total amount in your account plus your bonus, and then the amount you can withdraw. Okay, now this is because for you to be able to withdraw plus your bonus, you need to have a trading volume of about 100 times your bonus amount. Okay, but you can withdraw the amount you deposited, and you can also withdraw your profit whenever you want to. But if you want to withdraw that bonus amount, your trading volume should just be up to that, and that's just the only terms for withdrawing your bonus. Okay, so I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal right here, but I need to actually complete my verification. And after completing my verification, I can place my withdrawal now. The minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT. So let's say I'm withdrawing 30 USDT right here. So this is just to show you can easily withdraw your funds from the Double Tradin broker. Okay, so I'm going to paste my TRC20 wallet address here also. So after pasting my withdrawal address, I'll click on the submit button here. And then I need to complete a verification from my email. I'll click on the confirm button here, and it says operation successful. So here's my withdrawal right here. It's waiting to be approved. So let's see how long this will take. Guys, the withdrawal have been successful, and you can check out the time the withdrawal was approved. This didn't actually take long. And if you look right here, around 11:24, the deposit arrived. Here's the 30 USDT I withdrew. There's no withdrawal charges whenever you're placing your withdrawal. Okay, so the withdrawal also works smoothly and perfectly from the broker. And there you go, guys. That's my own way of trading binary options. Okay, and using the risk management table, you can get to make at least 20 USDT per hour trading binary on the Double Tradin broker. Okay, so this is where I'll be drawing the curtain for now, and if you actually find this very helpful, let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you think about binary trading, if it is something you want to dive in more often, so that I can actually make more videos about binary options and also share more strategies that I basically use to earn more on this. Okay, so don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.